Good morning, children. Now come to the evaluation part. I am giving the question answers. Mark in your book. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. First question, option D. Second question, option B. Third question, option C, that is zygote. Fourth question, option D, androecium and gynoecium. Fifth question, anemophilous flowers. Option D, large feathery stigma. Next one, sixth question, generative cell. Next one, seventh question is they are formed from the gonads. That is option D. Eighth question is seminiferous tubules. Option D. Ninth question is Sertoli cells. 10th question is Graafian follicle. 11th one is copper T. Fill in the blanks. The embryo sac in a typical dicot at the time of fertilization. You can rate any one answer, either 7-celled or 8-nucleated. Next one, second one is fruit. Third one, regeneration. Fourth one is internal. Fifth one is 6 to 7 day. Sixth one is colostrum. colostrum. Seventh one is anterior pituitary. Now, Roman letter 3. Just you mark left side 1, 2, 3. Column 1, column 2 you have to match. Fission takes place in amoeba. Budding, yeast. Fragmentation, spirogyra. Now next one, match the following with the meaning of these words. Parturition is the meaning delivery of baby from uterus. Second one, gestation means pregnancy period, duration between pregnancy and birth. Ovulation, the meaning of that word actually it is called release of eggs from Graafian follicle. And implantation, the attachment of zygote to endometrium. So these are the right side I have marked with A, B, C, D. Now fourth one, state whether the following statements are true or false. If it is false, write the statement. First one, stalk of the ovule is pedicel. It is wrong only. It is funicle. So it is false. After that you have to mark there and you have to write full sentence with, in place of that word you have to write funicle, or you can write funiculus. Now seeds are the product of asexual reproduction. It is also false. Instead of asexual you have to write sexual. Seeds are the product of sexual reproduction. Next, question number 3. Yeast reproduces asexually by means of multiple fission. It is wrong, false again, and you have to write the yeast reproduces asexually by means of budding. Part of the pistil which serves as a receptive structure for the pollen is called style. This is also false. Instead of style you have to write stigma. Fifth one, insect pollinated flowers are characterized by dry and smooth pollen grain. This is also false. Instead of that you have to write spiny and peated. Spiny, S-P-I-N-Y. In place of these you have to write spiny, peated, P-I-T-T-E-D. Sex organs produce gametes which are diploid. It is also false. Instead of diploid you have to write haploid, H-A-P-L-O-I-D. Seventh one, LH is secreted by not and posterior pituitary. It is also false. That is anterior. In place of posterior you have to write anterior pituitary. Next one, eighth one, menstrual cycle ceases during pregnancy. Yes, it is true. No need of changing anything. Ninth one, surgical methods of contraception prevents gamete formation. No, it is false. Not gamete formation prevent pregnancy. 10th one, the increased level of estrogen and progesterone is responsible for menstruation. No, it is also false. Decreased. Instead of increased, you have to write decreased level of estrogen and progesterone is responsible for menstruation. Now answer in one sentence or one word answer. The answer is only if what is that question? If one pollen grain produces 2 male gametes, how many pollen grains are needed to fertilize 10 ovules? I will explain later in this class A and C. Just you write there are 10 pollen grains are needed. There are 10 pollen grains are needed. So I have done that one. See the question number 1. 10 pollen grains are needed. 10 pollen grains are needed. First question. Second question is, in which part of the flower germination of pollen grains take place? No, answer will be the stigma of carpel. Stigma of carpel. That will be the answer. Next question. Name 2 organisms which reproduces through budding. You can write only the answer. Yeast and hydra. Yeast and I have written stigma of carpel as yeast and hydra. Mention the function of endosperm. Mention the function of endosperm. Go to the book, page number 248. Page number 248. If you go to the page here, I have marked 5th question, 4th, only that one. Endosperm provides food to the developing embryo. Only one sentence answer that one. Now, 5th question. Name the hormone responsible for the vigorous contractions of the uterine muscles. The name of that hormone is oxytocin. OXYTOCIN, oxytocin. Now next, 6th question. What is the enzyme present in acrosome of sperm? Name of that enzyme, hyaluronidase. That is an hyaluronidase, name of that enzyme. When is World Menstrual Hygiene Day observed? Every year 28th May is observed as World Menstrual Hygiene Day. What is the need for contraception? Again come to the page number. I will show you also. Come to the page number 254. So page number 254. Come to the page number. I will show you. Page number 254. That one. Contraception is one of the best birth control measures. A number of techniques or methods have been developed to prevent pregnancies in women. To prevent pregnancies in women. That is the answer. Now next one. Name the part of the human female reproductive system where the following occurs. Fertilization. For fertilization hyphen, I have written here, you see, fertilization, ampulla of fallopian tube, which has been torn, just you see. Fertilization hyphen, then you write ampulla, AMPULLA, ampulla of fallopian tube, FALLO, fallopian tube. Implantation hyphen endometrium of uterus. Endometrium of uterus. So this is all about your one sentence answer. Now next short answers. What will happen if you cut planaria into small fragments? Now the answer I am showing here also. If we cut planaria, if planaria is cut into more small fragments, each fragment develops into the whole organism. This method is called regeneration. If planaria is cut into small fragments, each fragment develops into whole organism. This method is called regeneration. first question. Second one, why is vegetative propagation practiced for growing some types of plants? Again, when the plants are not producing seeds, for them the vegetative propagation is the only method by which new plants are developed. And the seed, generally from the seeds new plants will be developing, but these plants, they are not producing seeds. So when the plants are not producing seeds, for them vegetative propagation is the only method by which new plants are developed. Second question. Third question, how does binary fission differs from multiple fission? Again, binary fission left side column, multiple fission. Binary fission takes place under favorable condition and this one unfavorable condition. Binary fission, two young ones are produced at a time. Here more than two individuals are produced. Example, amoeba. Here also plasmodium. Now this is over. Third question. Okay, thank you children.